Hi, today I'm for the Motorola Moto E6S and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So just to do that, we should hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one. And now we can see here the new created home screen folder. By the same way, we can add here more applications if you want. If you want to give the name to the folder, just tap here to unnamed and enter your name. For example, let's enter the apps. Just to move the folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should hold it and just drag it. If you wanna just remove the application from the folder, hold it and drag it to the home screen. If you want to stay with this application on the home screen, but if you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. But don't worry, you will stay with this application in the apps menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.